I'm hasting. And not everybody has to stay at home, but it doesn't mean that we can't have fun, right? Today, we're gonna make matcha mochi QQ bun. That means matcha mochi QQ bun. You know what QQ means? Cute. It means cute and delicious, chewy. Today's ingredients are glutinous rice flour 130 grams, tapioca starch 20 grams, matcha powder 20 grams, 30 grams of sugar, 1 egg, warm milk 60 ml, 25 grams of melted butter, and sesame. These are the tools we can use to measure our ingredients. Measuring cup, measuring spoon, and kitchen scale. Let's get started! Now we'll mix all the ingredients together. The starch, the powder. Looks so yummy. Yeah. The egg. Ooh, I love egg. Looks delicious. The sugar. The butter. For the milk, we need to pour it step by step, otherwise it will be too watery. A little bit. Yeah. Ooh, I love milk. Pour the whole thing. Pour the whole thing. Pour it all. Pour it all. It looks so yummy. And the sesame. Now we mix it together. We can only do it in one direction. Looks so good. Stir all the ingredients together until it looks like this texture. It has to be sticky and a little bit thick. Then put some butter or oil on top of the baking tray so that it will not be that sticky after the baking. Then ask your mom if there is a round-shaped spoon that you can use, because then you can dig in and make it into a ball. Put it on your hand and just roll it into a ball. Then put it on the tray. Make several of it until it is ready to cover the whole tray. Make them round, and you can also make other shapes like Mickey Mouse. Then you preheat the oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you bake 20 minutes. Have fun baking! Let's get started! Wow, it looks so good! I can't wait to start eating it! Yeah. So happy baking! Have a great weekend! Bye! Matcha Mochi QQ bun. I'm gonna show you all the idiots.